Good morning, dear student. Today we are required to discuss the remaining topic. What we have discussed in retirement of a partnership firm, basic concept. What do you mean by retirement, and what are the circumstances under which a partners might be retired, and how to settle the partners account, and how to prepare the books of account. There we should previous class we discuss about there is a calculations of new profit sharing ratio and calculations of gain ratios. The gain ratios is one of the important. Yesterday we have discussed about the formula of gain ratio and meaning of gain ratio. Today we are required to do the problems on the gain ratios. So then there are the three cases while calculation of gain ratio or gained ratio, or we would like to call it as a benefit ratios. Let's here the gain ratios means already we know that when there are the three circumstances the gain ratio might be calculated. A gain ratio means the benefit ratio or the gain ratio of the remaining partners is the ratio in which the remaining partners gain athwa acquired the share of from the retiring partner, share from the retiring partner on his retirement. So there are the three three different cases for the calculation of gain ratio. First one, when old ratio and gain ratios are given, the statement itself only the answer, so that there is no need to be calculate again the gain ratio. And second one, when only the old ratio is given, here is also the statement itself only the answer, so that no need to be calculate again the gain ratio. When the third one is very, very important for your examination point of view. When old ratio and new shares are given, then how we should going to calculate the gain ratio of the remaining partners. The remaining partners gain some amount of profit sharing ratio from the retiring partner, so that we should write here the problems. When the third cases third, when old ratio and new ratios are given, then how we should going to do the problems on this. One problem, simple problem. Amar, Akbar and Anthony were the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1. This is the old ratio. 2:1. This is the old ratio respectively. Okay, this is the old ratio is given in the problem. And who will retire here? Akbar retired. This is important. Old ratio and Akbar retired. The new profit sharing ratio of Amar and Anthony will be the 3:1. Calculate gain ratio. Here the old ratio is given of all the partners. New ratio is given for only the continuing partners, and one partner might be retired here. This the informations. Now we should go to calculate gain ratios. So then first given. What is a given? Given what is given here? Old ratio. Older ratio is given, and new ratio also given. Then Amar, Akbar and Anthony. See, there is a old ratio 2:1. It means 2/5 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. Say the new ratio is 3:1. There is who is retired? Akbar is retired. So then 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. It is given. Now would like to calculate calculation of gain ratio of Amar and Anthony. You should calculate Amar and Anthony gain ratios. Let's first what do you mean by gain ratio? Athwa gain share gained. Would like to call it as a share gained is equal to new share. You would like to write new share minus old share. That is a share. Would like to say it is a shares. Then share gained by who's that? Amar. Share gained by Amar is equal to, what is the new share? 3 by 4. See that 3 by 4 minus old share 2 by 5. 4 5 ja 20. You should take here 4 5 ja 20. 3 5 ja 15. 4 2 ja 8. This is a cross multiplications. 4 2 ja 8. Then how much it is? Then from this you should deduct this 7 by 20. 7 by 20, and then this is the gain ratio from Amar. Okay. The next, let me go and calculate share gained by Anthony. Share gained by Anthony is equal to his old share 1 by 4, his new share 1 by 4 and old share 1 by 5. Then 4 5 ja 20 plus you should take here 5 1 ja 5, 4 1 ja 4, then 1 by 20. Now if you want to be expressed here, then you should not going to be say here the gained share. Instead of gain share, you should write a gain ratio. Therefore gain ratio of, what is that? Gain ratio of Amar and Akbar. Amar and Anthony is equal to, what is that? 7 by 20 is to 1 by 20, or 7 is to 1 is the answer. This is very very important. Like this we should going to be calculate the ratios, gain ratios. Okay. Next problem you might be continue. A, B and C are the partners. Let me write down. A, B and C are the partners. Okay, are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of profit and loss in the ratio of sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 4:3:2 respectively. 4:3:2 respectively. Okay. Respectively. From this, there is a A retires. A retires. A retire. And B and C. A retires, full stop. B and C. B and C. Okay, share the future profit equally. Share the future profit. Share the future profit equally. Equally. Calculate the gain ratio. Calculate the gain ratio of. Calculate the gain ratio. You write calculate the gain ratio of B and C. Calculate the gain ratio of B and C. Let's here given. First, we would like to say here the given. What is given? Given here old ratio and new ratio. Old ratio and new ratios are given. Old ratio 4:3:2. I mean that there is a B and a C. 4/9, 3/9 and 2/9 are clubbed together. First 3 plus 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9 4/9 3/9 and 2/9. The new ratio is equally means what? 1:1. Both of them they share 1:1. Who is retired? First one. A is retired. 1/2 new ratio and 1/2. Let's now we should going to calculate the calculation of gain ratios. Calculation of gain ratio for of whom there is a B and C. Calculation of gain ratio of B and C. Let's now would like to discuss with that. Okay, calculation of gain ratios of B and C. Then share gained is equal to new share minus old share. Share gained is equal to new share minus old share. The new share is 1/2. Share gained by B. Share gained by B. New share is 1/2 and old share 3/9. 3/9. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 9 1s are 9. 3 2s are 6. There is a 9 minus 6, 3/18. Let's share gained by C is equal to 1/2 minus one more is there 2/9. 1/2 and 2/9. 2 9s are 18. Okay, 9 1s are 9. 2 2s are 4. Then here 5/18. Therefore gain ratio of B and C. Gain ratio of B and C. Here share gained ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ gain ratio ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೇನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ B and C is equal to 3/18 is to 5/18 or 3:5. 3:5. This is the way where we should going to calculate the ratios, gain ratios and all. Remaining ratios you might be calculate yourself only while doing the problems on the gain ratio, and you have to calculate your there are maximum questions was there in a question bank. You should go and calculate of this.